Hi everybody, Gordie here from Redmayne Smith, and I hope you're well. So today, I want to discuss with you what's a better investment, houses or apartments? Well, the answer really is, it depends. So let's get into it and let's see what you think. So it really depends on where you're looking to invest. So let me use an example. If you're looking to invest in a city centre location, it's going to be very difficult for you to get houses. So if you're investing in the city centre, the big attraction is focusing on apartments. But on the flip side, if you're looking for a more rural location, somewhere we're currently standing just now, you're going to be attracting a lot more people that want to focus on the family market because both locations have different types of tenants in them. So let's look at that. As you can see where I'm standing just now, these are family properties, 2, 3, 4 bedroom families that want to stay in a house. They want the room, they want the space, they want the countryside, they want somewhere that they can grow into. Now, comes with that comes long-term stays. So what you need to make sure when you're looking for a house, it's located by a good school. Because if you find a house by a good school, the hope is that the children are going to grow up there and the parents are going to rent the property for a longer term. But if you're in the city centre, you're going to attract more professional working people. People that are in the city, they're working and they want somewhere not too far away from their offices where they can go and stay. So what's the difference in costs with houses and apartments? So with houses, they're larger, okay? So it's going to cost a little bit more to keep the property up to a good standard. It's also going to cost more in heating bills, electricity bills, etc, etc. But with apartments, you need to make sure that the lease is not overly expensive and you need to make sure the ground rent's favourable as well. So when you're looking at it, you need to weigh up the cost. A house is going to cost more to maintain, but with a flat, it's generally going to be leasehold. Now, not all apartments are leasehold, but in England, the majority of them are. So you're going to have to pay a monthly or yearly lease, and you're also going to have to pay ground rent. So when you're looking at both options, you've got to just weigh it up. Are you better and the return going to be better in a larger house? Yes, it might cost more to maintain. Or are you better with an apartment than you're just paying a yearly lease and a yearly ground rent? You have to do the numbers to figure out what one works for you. So I hope you enjoyed the content on houses versus apartments. So what I now need you to do is please make sure you hit the subscribe button, make sure you hit the like button, and please, please, please leave your comments underneath because I will be responding to them. And do not forget to download your off-plan guide. It is completely complimentary with lots and lots more content on it. Can't wait to see you next time. All the best.